right, where are we going, you guys? Oh, it's snowing. Where are we going? We're going to Hoshi. I thought we were going to a bunny shop.
Yeah, bunny shop. Usagiboshi.
Oh, Usagiboshi. Is that the name of the shop?
Yeah.
But first, what are we doing? We're gonna take a pit stop at Lawson.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to eat something.
Okay, let's get you a little snack. What kind of snack do you want? They've got all sorts of things here. Do you want some roasted almonds with dried small fish? How about some dried squid? It's yummy. How about some fish and chips with tartar sauce? Or some cutlet snacks?
Why you all the time say weird?
Because mommy's hilarious. How about, what's this? Okay, tell me what you want.
What do you want?
You guys can get one snack to share. What do you want?
What do you want? Kiwi.
Okay, you tell me when you decide. I'm gonna see what else there is. There's all.
I know.
I know. Do you want some calorie mate?
I want Bami Chiki.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. We're not getting fried chicken. Is that what you want? No, that's not real food. Well, what am I talking about? Do you want to get some dekamori?
No.
Dekamori kare. Or some beef curry to enjoy spices. Look, they sell MSG in the store here. You can also get little pastas. And the bread. In Japan, they have these really thickly sized breads. And corn with mayonnaise bread. It's actually good. Surprisingly good. And Godiva. Lots of cool breads in Japan. You have a Godiva little mini cake. Not fun. It's 50 yen off. I'm gonna get a drink. This looks good. It doesn't have sugar in it and it's sparkling lemon juice. The strawberry looks good, but I don't want sugar. They have this cool monster stuff. I don't know when Monster came to Japan. I love the can. It's beautiful. Did you guys figure out what you want? You can pick one thing to share. Oh, it's because these are my favorite. This alcohol, it has alcohol in it. That's for mommy. It's so good. This chocolate with alcohol in it. You want to get the orange chocolate?
Made together, Pinky.
Yeah, I'd like you
But
guys to.
she loves this and I love this.
Okay, fine, one each.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Hurry up though. We are late for a very important date. It's little octopus ball takoyakis. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. And orange chocolate. All right, let's go get it.
I don't like this.
You guys needed a drink. Go pick out a drink, one each. No, we can't have pudding now because we'll have pudding. Okay, we're getting way much more stuff than I anticipated, but it's okay.
Yeah.
What's cool about the convenience stores in Japan is you can also get wines, which are surprisingly good. I like this alpaca one. You guys wanted to order,
Yeah.
but you know, after you eat this
I
stuff,
love this one. It's so spicy and it's yummy.
it's spicy and yummy, but after after you eat it, you end up feeling sick, right? Yes. Look at all the selection of cigarettes. Wow. This high quality pens and highlighters. All of this stuff is also just all available at one convenience store. This is stuff from Muji. I did the video on Muji last time. And yeah, Baumkuchen in all sorts of flavors, banana, maple, tea. Strawberry Baumkuchen. It's incredible. Toiletries here. Lip Essence nail care oil. All of this, you know, this is really, we can imagine, useful if you're on a trip or like you end up having to work late and you have to get a hotel and can't get home, which is often something that happens in Japan. You can just come pick up everything you need, including, like, check these out. That's so nice. Yeah, they have socks and scarves. Like, check these out. They're so soft. Oh, I'm tempted. But yeah, we're not doing that today. You can get some of your underwear and even a shoulder bag. Japan is so convenient. It's hard for me to live somewhere else. Just you walk into the corner shop and there's everything you need. Thank you, Lawson. So now, oh, it's snowing. I'm gonna continue walking to the rabbit shop. Look at this cool building. Whoa. We have some camellia or tsubaki. You can just, little trick, take the flowers, put them in some water, massage them in the water, and then you have a soap that you can use on your body and your hair. 100% natural, 100% free. Speaking of which, I should plant me a camellia tree in my house. In my house? You know what I mean, outside my house. So in Japan, they like to have all these political posters everywhere. This one's been here for a while. It's the can't read it. Sweet bicycle shop. Ooh, the snow is a bit wet today. That's a sweet bike. Look at that. Hello. Another great thing to buy in Japan, now that I see this store, the blue light blocking glasses. They're so much cheaper in Japan than like what you can get in the United States or Australia or other places. Come to Japan and get your blue light blocking glasses and just find some glasses shop. There's tons of them actually. It's interesting. What's this? Yofuku no Aoyama. Old school store. I've never really walked around this area before. It's got a much different feel than Kyoto. Lots of chain restaurants. This one's really great. That one across the street. So with this restaurant, you can get your udon, and then on the side they have all sorts of fried tempura things. So I actually went here for dinner on the day that I filmed this, and this place is called Sanuki Seimen, or Sanuki noodle making, and it's actually quite controversial because it's a copy. Go check out the video. He's just like right outside. Clever advertising, no? Makes you want to eat. Oh, the snow's so pretty. I wish it would show up in the video. It kind of does. Maybe if I zoom in on the black. Do you see? You can kind of hear it. If you listen carefully. And this is Kappa. Oops, I tripped. This is Kappa Sushi. So it has the rotating sushi that you've probably seen. You know, it's a conveyor belt that goes around. Hello, sushi. The restaurant, there's a conveyor belt that goes around the restaurant. They have this, a kappa is like a little mystical. So a kappa is a mythical water creature from Japan that means river child. It's basically a frog turtle monkey, and it's known for pulling children underwater. But it's so cute. I believe it's this way. Another thing that's great about making these videos is I have to rely on my brain to get where I'm going rather than depending on Google. Look at that cute pink car. That's fun. Now, 20 years before I came to Japan, I would never care about anything that I thought was cute. But now, this manhole, such beautiful manholes in Japan. Oh my gosh, it's litter. That's a rare thing to see. I think I'm almost at my destination. It's getting a bit cold. So yeah, this is very Osaka-like for how like crowded together all the buildings are. And yeah, oftentimes, you know, you'll have the apartment on the top and then a shop on the bottom. This looks like it used to be a shop of some sort. Oh, look at that. That's so interesting, this little cul-de-sac. Interesting architecture. And then lately they have this kind of plasticky looking kind of stone stuff going on. Like, so basically they try to make it look like the brick is going deeper into the structure, but it's basically concrete, and then they glue like thin pieces of rock on top that might even just be made of plastic. Back in the day there was a lot of this tile stuff, so you can kind of tell the age of building by the kind of trends of, I mean, of course that's obvious. So yeah, this is like old school. This is a bit, I'd say that this style is more modern. And then here we go. Now you have a traditional house with the sweet roof. What's cool about these roofs, maybe I can zoom in. So do you see how they're stacked like that? I wish I could get a better picture for you. So when there's an earthquake, the roof tiles, they fall off in a way that makes it a bit more safe for the house, and the structure of the house doesn't get destroyed. Anyway, at my destination, I'll make a separate video to introduce this place to you. It's incredible. There's so much stuff, everything you can need for your rabbit in one spot. Bye bye.